Hello students, today we'll start with our unit 4, that is a poem at the theatre. The chief interest of a story or film lies in its element of suspense and mystery. So in this poem, the poet is creating suspense and mystery. And if the mystery or suspense is revealed to us beforehand, all its charm is spoiled. Means the poet is saying that before only, if the mystery is solved, there is no charm. Means charm is spoiled. The revelation must come to us step by step as the story progresses. So what he is saying, as the story is progressing, we should know step by step, we should come to know what is going to be there in the story. Some people who have seen a play or a movie earlier are in the habit of talking aloud while watching it again. You know, whenever we have seen a movie which is already played or we have seen earlier, then we know what to do, what will come next. We'll talk about them. It will come next, this scene will come next, this he will say this dialogue, like that. So the poet is saying all these things. They keep talking and telling what is going to happen next. Thus, they ruin the charm of all those who are sitting around watching for the first time. And thus, it gets spoiled. The play or the movie gets spoiled, as other people, those who are watching for the first time, they can see other people are saying the story. Now, we will read the poem, what it is. At the theatre, which is written by A.P. Herbert. So, at the theatre, in this it is to the lady behind me, means the lady behind the screen. Dear madam, you have seen this play. I ever saw it till today. So, what is saying? Madam, you have seen this play, but I have not seen till today. You know the details of the plot. Plot means the series or events of the story of the novel or a film. So, he is saying you must be knowing the fact or information about the plot. But let me tell you, I do not. But he is saying to her that, but I am telling you that you know everything, but I do not. The author seeks to keep from me the Madras identity. So, what the author, what he is saying, he is seeking me to try to find out something. He want to find out, what he wants to find out? The Madras identity. Means in this story, in this play, there is a murderer. The author is want to identify the murderer. And you are not a friend of his if you keep shouting who it is. And what he is saying, that if you are a friend of that murderer, you must be knowing that he is a murderer. But if you keep shouting, how we will know who it is? Okay students, today we will start with our chapter 4, that is the poem At the Theatre, that is written by A.P. Herbert. Okay. Dear madam, you have seen this play. I ever saw it till today. So here what the poet is saying कि मैडम आपने तो पहले ये प्ले देख चुके, but I have not seen, means मैंने नहीं देखा है. You know the details of the plot, but let me tell you, I do not. अब यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, वो मैडम ने ऑलरेडी देखा हुआ है, इसलिए उनको सारा डिटेल्स और सारा सीन्स याद है. बट द पोएट इज सेइंग कि यू आर टेलिंग मी, लेट मी टेल यू, मैंने तो देखा नहीं है, मुझे ये सब पता नहीं है. द ऑथर सीक्स टू कीप फ्रॉम मी द मर्डरस आइडेंटिटी. अब जिसने ये प्ले लिखा है उसने मर्डर, इसमें ये सीन में, ये प्ले में एक मर्डर है, उसकी आइडेंटिटी उसने छुपा के रखी है. बट व्हाट शी इज डूइंग, एंड यू आर नॉट अ फ्रेंड ऑफ हिज इफ यू कीप शाउटिंग हु इट इज. मगर आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप सारा रिवील कर रहे हो, मर्डर की आइडेंटिटी बता रहे हो, इसलिए पॉइंट बोल रहा है कि आप उनके फ्रेंड नहीं हो. The actors, in their funny way, have several funny things to say. Here the poet is saying the actors who are playing the role in the poem, they are having very funny way and they have several funny things to say us. But they do not amuse me more. Amuse means to make somebody laugh or smile. So he is saying they are not making me smile more. If you have said them just before. So what he is saying, if you say it earlier, so what that amusement, that laughness, that smile is not there. Thus merit of the drama lies, I understand, in some surprise. He is saying the quality of the drama is good and he can understand with some surprise. But the surprise now must be small, since you have just foretold all. But he is saying the surprise is getting very small because you are seeing what will happen in the next in the play. The lady you have brought with you is, I infer, a half-wit too. So what he is saying, the lady you have brought, she is, I infer. I infer means my opinion it is. My opinion about the lady is that she is half-wit. Half-wit means half intelligent, but can understand the piece without assistance from your needs. She is saying without help of your assistance means help or support. Without support or help of your niece, you cannot understand the piece of the play. In their funny way have several funny things to say. अब पोएट क्या बोल रहा है, इसमें जो एक्टर्स है वो बहुत ही फनी है और उनके पास बहुत सारा फनी वेस में वो लोग बातें बोल रहे हैं. बट दे डू नॉट अम्यूज मी मोर इफ यू हैव सेड देम जस्ट बिफोर. सो पोएट क्या बोल रहा है कि आप मुझे अगर पहले से सब कुछ बता दोगे तो मुझे अम्यूजमेंट, मुझे हैप्पीनेस या मुझे जो सरप्राइज है वो मुझे कैसे मिलेगा. वो पहले से मेरा सरप्राइज बता के खराब कर रहे हैं. The merit of the drama lies, I understand, in some surprise. अब जो इसका मेरिट है, ये जो ड्रामा चल रहा है उसका जो मेरिट है वो बहुत ही अच्छा है, बट मुझे जो इसका सरप्राइज मिलना चाहिए वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. But the surprise now must be small since you have just foretold all. अब क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे जो लेडी है वो पहले से ही सारी स्टोरी जो है वो बता देती है. इसके वजह से क्या हो रहा है, जो वहाँ पर बैठा है, जो पोएट है, उसको ये स्टोरी में कुछ मजा नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि पहले से वो लेडी सारा आगे का सस्पेंस रिवील कर देती है. The lady you have brought with you is, I infer, a half-wit too. अब वो इसलिए बहुत परेशान है और वो क्या बोल रहा है, जो लेडी वहाँ पर आई है वो क्या है, स्टूपिड जैसी है. स्टूपिड जैसी है इसलिए वो सारा रिवील कर रही है, सस्पेंस खराब कर रही है. But can understand the piece without assistance from your niece. और फिर वो बोल रहा है कि ये जो प्ले चालू है, पीस मीन्स यहाँ पर जो ये प्ले या थिएटर में जो भी हमारा प्ले चलता है उसके बारे में बोला गया है. तो जो वो बोल रहा है कि मुझे ये सब समझ में आएगा, मगर वो क्या कर रही है, विदाउट असिस्टेंस फ्रॉम योर नीज, मतलब वो अपने नीज का हेल्प ले रही है, मगर यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, मुझे ये सब समझ में नहीं आ रहा. In short, foul woman, it would suit. So here the poet is saying that the woman, you are wrong, you are doing wrong. It would suit you me just as well if you were mute. So what is saying, it would suit if you will be mute. In fact, to make my meaning plain, I trust you will not speak again. Here now the author, the poet, is not very happy with the lady, so he is saying you should not speak. He wants that the lady should not speak. And may I add one human touch. Don't breathe upon my neck so much. So last he is saying, finally he is already in so much trouble. So he's saying that don't hit my neck with your words. Means he doesn't want to hear the lady.